What's up, homies? You guys will have to do me a solid and share this video, because I was trying to do a Facebook Live because that's how you get more views as far as doing the live. But I guess when you reach a certain point and you're not paying for it, Facebook just doesn't allow you to go live anymore. What I wanted to show you guys is all of this awesome life in our mangrove systems. So I'm right here in Nokomis at a little bay, right? And we see all of this awesome life growing on the mangrove prop roots. Now, all of this awesome life helps filter the water, right? So I had a real cool guy, Aaron, give me a call to put in some artificial reefs, because as you can see on the seawall and docks, there's not all that life. So we're looking at changing that. So let's go over here and finish a little bit of a reef installation with Captain Planet. How about that? And you'll be doing me a solid by sharing it, because we'll just show, hey, Facebook, maybe the people got more power. You gave us a little bit too much authority. We're taking it back. So spread the good word. Let people know there's something we can actually do for our waters other than just talk about it. So right here, you can see 5 artificial mini reefs I put in, which are really more like artificial mangrove systems. So underneath here, it's mimicking the prop root systems of the roots on those mangrove trees. So we're gonna finish getting these installed together. This guy's also got a really cool oxygenator system. The little bubbles that you can hear. So what we're gonna do with that is put that directly under the reefs. That way they get a lot more oxygen, and it's gonna be like reefs growing even faster than they would have naturally. All right. So I think that's about where I'd like it. Make it a little shorter. All right, there. Now I'm just simply finishing up on this installation, making sure these reefs never go anywhere. Sometimes people are like, well, hey, Captain Planet, what about hurricanes? What do we need to do then? Well, believe it or not, the first artificial reef, and these were invented, has been in the water for 27 years now, over 27 years. So that being said, we've had some whoppers of a hurricane in the last 27 years, and they've all been just fine. So we'd have to have a storm so big that it would literally uproot these pilings before the reefs would actually go anywhere. Show you guys this cool oxygen system. See that? These cool little guys, just pick them up right like this. And that's how that works. Pretty neat, huh? He's got another one up there we can hook up too. So I'm gonna tie off my last rope. And we'll call it a good Sunday, you know? Good Sunday. Installing artificial reefs for me is like going to eco church, you know what I mean? I like it. This guy was wondering if we can fit any more reefs under his dock. Told him, I think I can fit about 20 more. Just a big dock. Really cool. Ooh, I better get out of the water. I hear you, Uncle Thor. I'm out of here.